मायनिंग बंदीचो फटको गोंयांत फक्त मायनिंग वेवसायाचेर निबून आशिल्ल्याच लोकांक पडला असो ना, जाल्यार हो फटको विद्यार्थ्यांच्या एका ठरावीक विभागाचेरूय पडला म्हूण NSUI उलयला. ह्या विशयाचेर सरकाराक अपेश आयला. सरकाराक तोडगो काडूंक जायना जाल्यार मुखेलमंत्री तशेंच शिक्षण मंत्र्यान आपल्या पदाचो राजिनामो दिवचो म्हूण ते फुडें उलयला. पणजेच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार.
The entire youth are affected, and a particular section of the student community is blank with what they have to do with their future. So as a student community, the NSUI wants to tell you about the mining engineers from GEC, the Goa engineering students who are doing their mining engineering. Their future is completely bleak and blank, because if you go to see the 2017 batch that has passed out, wherein mining was going on, not even a single person has got a job. And if you go to see the batches, the 2 to 3 batches previously which have passed out, hardly anyone has got jobs. Like only 10% of the entire students have got jobs, which means that every year around 70 students pass out and only 7 have got jobs. So from the past 4 years, there are hardly anyone who have got jobs. And if you go to see if in 2017, if none of the students have got jobs, it is very clear that the batches, the 250 to 300 students which are studying now, have got no jobs for sure. The government should take a stand, and if they are not being able to take a stand, I think the CM has to resign, who has the portfolio of education. Right now what is happening is, even if we want to meet the education minister, we do not have any source or any place to go and meet him, because he is not in the town. We wish him a speedy recovery. We have no issues with that, but there has to be an alternative wherein the students have to go, because all these students whose future is blank and bleak, they have to be accommodated someplace. So we are not talking ki mining is good or bad, but we need an alternative source of employment. So first of all, this is a failure. This is a major failure of the government, and the government has to come with an alternative source for the youth and the students of Goa, because there was a time wherein there was a hope that some or the other mining company would accommodate you all for a job. But now that is also bleak and blank. So this has affected the entire student community. The mining community is completely bleak and blank. They don't know what to do.